Hey friend, hey, welcome to Stay Calm and Budget. Today, we're going to be budgeting for our first paycheck in February. Stay tuned. Hey friends, welcome back to Stay Calm and Budget. Today, we're going to be budgeting for our first paycheck in February. So let's get to it. As you see, I have on long sleeves. It's not supposed to be cold in Florida, but it's cold. It might be warm to some, but it's cold for me. Let's see. So I've already written in what our bills and our sinking funds, cash envelopes, and our extra savings are going to be for our and you know what, I put second paycheck, but it's the first paycheck in February, but it's the second paycheck for February. The end of January, I pay the bills for February from the 1st through the from the 1st through the 15th, 16th, or 17th, and then the second paycheck, which would be the first paycheck in February, I pay the second portion, which would be between the 17th, 18th, all the way through the 27th, 31st. So yes, that's how we do our bills. It just works better that way, so that we won't have a large chunk coming out at one point in each month. With that being said, let's get right to it. I am a righty, so I'm going to turn it, and I'm going to bring you guys in for a little closer view. And let's get started. All right, so the house income was $5,677.21, and we always have an extra of $200, which brings our total income for this paycheck $5,877.21. Alrighty, so I'm just going to go through these really quickly. ISPC, I've talked about some of these in my debt confession, so of course you're going to see them on our monthly bills. That is a loan. Insurance, that's the car insurance. The water system is the water system that's filtering the whole house. My big beautiful beast outside is car one. Navy Federal, this is a loan. Allied is a loan that we will discuss later on in this channel. Our phone bill, our water bill. Line of credit is my what is it called? My One Main. The other Navy Federal is the credit card, my wife's credit card. Best Buy is a credit card. Kaimana is the daycare that we pay. SunPass is the toll, the little toll transmitter, or I can't think of the word, but it's to pay the tolls. We keep money on that. I did add down here Pumbaa's vet visit and Pumbaa's groom. That is a bill, and it's time for Pumbaa, Mr. Big Old Pumbaa, to get his annual shots and his grooming. So give me one moment. Let me write in these totals, and we'll come back to add them up. Okay, friends, so we have all of these, and you know what I did? I put it in the due. I just noticed that instead of putting it in the amounts, I put it in the due. But you know what? It's gonna do what it do. So let's add all of these up. 80 plus 266, 81 plus 158 plus 873 plus 385, 58. Plus 333, 60, plus 426, plus 84, 74, plus 169, plus 294, plus 80, plus 310, plus 100. All right, so our total bills that we have to pay, not the extra ones, is going to come out to $3,500 and $60.73. So let's add in the extra bills, which is plus 200 plus 123. And we have $3,883.73. So let's put that here. I think I want to use a different color. I want to use purple because that's my favorite color. All right, total is $3,883.73. And we're going to take our monthly, or not monthly, I'm sorry, our bi-weekly paycheck, which is $5,877.21. We're going to subtract it from our bills, which is $3,883.73, which leaves us $1,993.48 to stuff. Yay. All right, so let's clear that. Now let's go back to our orange. All right, for groceries this go around, I'm going, instead of our $300, I'm going to do $400. And we all know that $200 go to HelloFresh. Again, you need to get on it, y'all. Need to get on it. HelloFresh is amazing. Wife's personal, she always gets 100. Her gas, we give her 150. My personal, I get 100, and my gas for that, say it with me, that big beautiful beast outside, the triple B. All right, so with that being said, our cash envelopes this go round is going to get 400 plus 100 plus, did I do a plus? 150 plus 100 again plus 200, and that gives me a total of, we're doing totals in purple, right? A total of, I should have stopped putting the halves on. 950. My dog is moving around, so I don't know if you can hear him or baby girl laying in my bed snoring. So $1,993.48 subtract a total of $950, which is our cash envelopes. We have left over $1,043.48. All right, so let's write in our sinking funds, and then we're going to add up the numbers. All right. Let's move this over and let's bring you in a little bit more. Booyah, there you go. All right, so see, there I go, about to put the cap back on. Let me just put it there. All right, let's add this up. So like before, there I go with the so button. Every time I say so during the whole video, I just want you to yourself say so buttons. I don't know why. Yeah. Anywho. All right. So buttons. The green means that these are our savings challenges. We still add them in here as we're budgeting, of course, but I just want to remind you that everything that's highlighted in green, and it will change. My daughter chose green for me today, but everything highlighted will be for our sinking challenges. All right, so let me add this up. HOA, $63. Let's see, make sure that my calculator is in frame. I'm working on my frame, y'all. I'm almost there. $63 plus $50 for the E fund, $20. That's 2, 3, 4. That's all the babies plus the dog. Health is 10. Car lowering is 20. Hair is 15. Family time is 15. Then where I'm at, that snowball's 50. Home improvement 20 plus 40 plus 25 plus 5. Okay, got kind of hectic there at the end, but we have $458 that we are going to be stuffing in our sinking funds. So we're going to, let me move this over a little bit. We're going to take the 1,400, I keep saying 400, $1,043.48. As I always say, I always leave this cents off at the end, but we're still going to have a zero based budget. But let's put this in here, 1,043. I'm still going to add the cents. Yes, I will. I'll take it away later. And we're going to subtract our sinking funds total, which is subtract $458, and we are left with $585, and of course that 48 cents. So let's write that here, 585.48. Now we're moving down. So buffer, let me get in frame. Buffer is what we are leaving in our bank accounts. So I take it out, but I take it out and I put it back in. But I usually put $300 as a buffer because, you know, something may happen. You never know. So we always try to leave something in there. And if we don't use the buffer, then it stays in there and it can, you know, accumulates over time. So our buffer is going to be $300. So let's go ahead and subtract the $300 from the $585. So subtract $300 and I am left with $285. So that $285, as you all know, I will be using that to stuff the 100 envelope challenge. Anything that's left over after I pay all the bills and do the cash envelopes and sinking funds, that's what I'm going to put to the 100 envelope challenge. And we have $285 to go to that. So we already know that these two added up. Let's get the purple. Gives us $585. As you see, I dropped at 48. And that means we are at a zero total. Yes, that's what we want, baby. All right, I want to use a different color because I'm just feeling kind of festive. I don't know what color I want to use. Let's see. No. Teal it is. All right, so let's total up our final numbers. And guess what? You guys are coming in for the landing. All right, so our cash envelopes ended up being, we gotta put our income here. Our income is $5,877.21. Don't worry about the cents, it'll make sense. All right, cash envelopes, we are going to do $950. The sinking funds, we are going to do $458. And our savings, we're going to do $585. Our debt repayment, which is our bills, comes out to $3,883.73. So just for GP, we already know that it ends up with a zero balance, but let's do this together. Alrighty, so we have our income, $5,877.21, and we're going to subtract now and not add. Subtract $950 and subtract $458 and subtract $585 and subtract $3,883.73. Oh, did I do that wrong? Was I pushing add? Let's do that again. 5,877.21 subtract 950 equals subtract 458 equals subtract 585 equals, and okay, subtract 3,883.73, and there's that 48 cents. Y'all, I don't know what I did before. That's okay, but we are at that zero balance and what we wanted to do. All right, friends, that was my budget from budget with me, not for me, budget with me for our first paycheck in February, our second paycheck going to the February bills. I appreciate you guys so much for rocking with me. If you made it to the end of this video, can you put a flower, sunflower at that? I need some sunny days. I need some sun in my life right now because it is cold in Florida and it's supposed to be the sunshine state. Anywho, please, you guys, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a coworker, anybody. Bring them to the channel just so I can say, hey, friend. Anywho, I appreciate you guys. You guys can do it if I can. And like I always tell you, something's better than nothing. Keep it going, keep it moving, keep it growing. You got this. Until next time when we stuff this money, looks like we'll be stuffing $1,993, not that 48 cents, on our cash stuffing, and also around $400 for our savings challenges. So I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.